Hi, this is Christian with MISO BIM.
This tutorial topic is interface display options. This course is considered beginner level. You'll learn to edit the background and selection graphics under Revit options, configure the layout of the ribbon and tabs, and edit the display of the user interface menus. Let's first change some graphics in the option menu. The options can be found in the application menu, the capital R at the top left corner. Select the graphics tab. Here you can invert the background, change the selection, pre-selection, and alert colors. Let's invert the background and select OK. To configure the layout of the ribbon, you can use the set of up and down arrow icons to the right of all the tabs. Select the up arrow and the ribbon layout will change. You can keep clicking on it to see all 4 types of ribbon layouts. If you select the down arrow, a drop-down menu of those layouts will appear. You can choose to leave the check at Cycle Through All or select another option, and the next time you click the up arrow, it will only cycle between the default ribbon layout and the layout you checked. The other layouts are helpful to those who prefer simple, clean interfaces, but for now we will stay with the default ribbon layout showing all the tool icons. To edit the quick access toolbar display, select the down arrow icon to the right of the toolbar. Here you can select which commands to show or hide. To change their order, click on Customize Quick Access Toolbar, where you can move their positions, add separators, and remove them. You can also change the location of the toolbar to be shown below or above the ribbon. To edit the display of the user interface menus, go to the View tab, look above the Windows panel, and select the User Interface tool. The drop-down menu shows what bars and menus are on and off. Here you can turn on the Project Browser or Properties palette in case you accidentally closed out of them. You can change the location of your Properties palette and Project Browser by selecting and dragging the top blue bar and hovering over an edge on your drawing area. You might have to fidget around a bit for it to register the location you want it to lock to. To change the size of the menu, just hover over a corner until you can drag it to shrink or expand it. You can even have it floating on top of your drawing area, or combine the 2 menus into one menu with tabs at the bottom. Organizing your Revit interface is a completely personal preference, so don't be alarmed if you see some of our other instructional videos with a different layout. The versatility allows you to find what works best for you and make it so. Experiment with all of the display settings until you find the right interface for your needs. That concludes our beginner course on interface display options. Thanks for watching.